Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the failed attestation status error in Call of Duty Warzone. Let's jump right in. First, make sure that TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled on your PC. To check this, download and open the Attestation Security Wizard. Once it opens, confirm that both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot show as enabled. If either one is disabled, restart your computer, enter the BIOS settings, and enable them. After verifying both features are active, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Navigate to the Services tab, click on any service, and then press the C key on your keyboard until you locate cod.broker.service. If it's not running, right-click on it and select Start. Once it's running, leave it enabled and close Task Manager. Now, launch Call of Duty Warzone again. If TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and cod.broker.service are all properly enabled and running, the error should be resolved. That's it. That's how you fix the failed attestation status error in Warzone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.